Hey guys, I'm Aditi. Welcome back to my channel, The Sublime You. So as I had mentioned in my previous video that I had purchased these Oziva plant-based DHT blocker and I'm going to try out these capsules, and trust me, I had taken them religiously every single day, 2 capsules per day throughout the entire month, and now I'm here to give you my review on whether these DHT blocker capsules are effective in reducing hair loss or not, as this brand claims that it can stimulate hair follicles and can reduce hair loss. So I had taken these capsules for the complete last month, and as per my opinion, as my hair loss is very severe and it is PCOD hair loss only, the cause of which is DHT. Now my hair loss has not decreased at all. I'm very disappointed to say this. I'm not at all in a mood to defame this particular brand, because you guys have seen it in the previous video that I have spoken so good about this particular brand, where Oziva Biotin and Oziva Collagen have given me so much of benefits in reducing my hair loss, and that is how I had so many hopes that probably this particular product, that is the Oziva DHT blocker, is also going to cause me some benefit just like the Oziva Biotin and the Oziva Collagen. But sadly it did not reduce my hair loss at all. And here I must tell you one thing, is that when Oziva launched this particular product, which is the Oziva DHT blocker, then at the same time they had also launched one more product, which is the Oziva hair vitamins. Now the difference between these two products is that this particular product contains only DHT blocker herbs, but the Oziva hair vitamins contains DHT blocker herbs plus the benefits of omega-3, which is the healthy fatty acids. So that way the hair vitamin capsules are claimed to cause you more benefits in hair loss and hair regrowth as compared to the DHT blocker capsules. But here also I had opted to try out the DHT blocker instead of the hair vitamins, because I was already on a dosage of these omega-3 capsules from a different brand, and I will make a separate video on the benefits of omega-3 capsules for hair loss and hair regrowth, and what are the different types of omega-3 capsules available in the market, like the vegan and the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian, in a comparative way. So as because I was already taking omega-3 capsules from a different brand, so I thought that I should not be taking the hair vitamins, because that would double up my omega-3 dosage. So instead of that, I should just complement my omega-3 course with these DHT blocker herbs and check if togetherly they can cause some reduction in my hair loss. But sadly I have not seen any benefits in reduction of hair loss. But that does not mean that I am discouraging you completely from purchasing these capsules, because firstly, as a brand, Oziva is not bad, because Oziva Biotin and Oziva Collagen have benefited me earlier, and also results might vary from person to person. What did not work for me does not necessarily mean that it is not going to work for you as well. It might work for you, it might not work for you. So if you still want to give it a try, then you might go ahead. And here I would just say one thing, that even if it does not work for you, you will not be at any great harm, because these are totally herbal sourced capsules which does not contain any harmful chemicals. So at least these are safe, and if they work for you, it's a great thing. But these did not work for me at all, so I will not recommend these capsules to anyone, or neither I will repurchase them. But still, if you want to go ahead and give these capsules a try, then you can rest assured that these are not going to at least cause you any harmful side effects. So if you have any such related stories or related questions, then please ask them in the comment section. I will be happy to read them and reply to you people. So that is it for today, guys. Bye bye.